Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. Now this is a little bit of a funny video, and this happened the other day when I was on my way to a Cars and Coffee event. Now these two guys on motorcycles rolled up through traffic, and then when we got to a turn lane to turn into where we were holding the Cars and Coffee event, they decided to have a spontaneous dance party right in the middle of the street in the turn lane. I thought it was kind of funny because they looked so ridiculous. They were just dancing and jiving to their music. We're sitting there watching them, wondering what kind of music they're listening to.
See?
So, hope you enjoy.
Listening to music? I don't know.
I don't know.
I think he's listening to music.
What if he knows how stupid he looks?
He's gonna. If he sees the video, he's gonna. Now they're both doing it.
Trying to figure out if they're white or black.
You ain't gonna find out till them helmets come off.
Yeah.
Cause they all. Wait a minute. This guy's white.
Yeah.
I can just see his wrist.
And the other one probably is too. Putting on a show.
Yeah.
That's a Bullitt Mustang.
That's what I was sitting here going. I don't remember what was in the original Bullet, but I don't think it was a 351.
Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.